And at a time like this, schools are reopening, for example, in Telangana and other places. Here's how it went.
First day of physical classes for middle school students in Telangana. Hardly any 6th, 7th or 8th class student turned up. Students were taken by surprise, so was the school, as they had to do a lot of preparation to allow students to attend. Customized seating arrangements, number of students to each class to be planned in detail, and parent consent in writing is mandatory.
పెరిగిన స్ట్రెంత్ అంటే 6th to 8th కూడా వస్తుంది అంటే వాళ్ళకి అకామిడేట్ చేయడానికి తర్వాత అంటే టాయిలెట్స్ కానివ్వండి మిడ్ డే మీల్స్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ కానివ్వండి ఇవన్నీ కూడా మాకు ఛాలెంజింగ్గానే ఉంటుంది.
Parents will be positively, they'll respond, I think so. If they are coming, we are also welcome, but only thing is accommodation only, it's difficult for us.
These are students in fact of class 9 and 10, classes for who in fact began on the 1st of February. Here if you just take a look at the board, you can see that in the English medium the attendance is in fact about 75%, I must say. Out of the 46, 32 have come in, 35 to 27 have come in. The teacher wearing face shield as well while she is addressing the students. The classes have also been done in such a way that the social distancing between the children is maintained. This is of course a government school, and actually the attendance has been better in government schools as compared to the private schools, because many children are also coming from backgrounds where digital learning may actually be a challenge. The Hyderabad School Parents Association says the government has come under pressure from private schools that want schools to reopen so full tuition fees can be collected. The decision comes even as the state government has decided not to release daily reports of COVID testing and positive cases and instead release it once a week. As they say, there has been no spurt in cases in Telangana. Telangana has in the past been accused of hiding COVID figures by not testing enough. The High Court in fact had to force the government to put out detailed reports every day. With the spurt in cases in Maharashtra and borders open on all sides, there is now reason for concern. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.